So now that we've talked about the different types of weather that we would like to have reported to us, let's talk about the different ways you can reach out to us with your report. So we have a new website, weather.gov/IWX/IWX SkyWarn, and on this website you'll see these three pictures across the top, the SPC webpage on the left, the puzzle piece with online training in the middle, and the telemethod reporting procedures on the right. If you were to click one of these tabs, you can find different information on getting yourself ready for a thunderstorm, any training and reference material, as well as reporting procedures. So here are the different reporting methods that we have, and we would be happy to receive any of these types of reporting ways that you have, whether it's a phone call, whether it's through the MPing app. We love any new volunteers for Coco Ross, as well as Twitter and Facebook. We'd love to reach out to you and have you reach out to us that way. We have ham radio operators that help us out quite frequently, as well as just sending us an email. All those methods are great. Always have a backup method as well. If you lose power, how would you report to us? So here are the different reporting methods that we have through our phone number, through social media, through amateur radio, an online web form that you can find right there. You can also find that right on the website I was talking about before, that IWX SkyWarn webpage there. Or email it to us on the email there. Many times during storms we would appreciate more the Twitter page as well as Facebook. Sometimes the email isn't really timely or useful in many situations. So here's what our storm report reporting page on our website looks like. It's pretty easy. You can go and just kind of scroll down or zoom into your spot on a location on the map there, and it puts in the exact latitude and longitude, or you can find the location on the left in tab number 1 there. In tab number 2 you can easily find the report type that you want to report to us, and then just tell us about any details that you might have in addition to what you're seeing. For example, if you're telling us that you had about an inch of rainfall, is there any flooding in nearby ditches? That kind of thing would be really helpful to us. So here's COCOROS. It stands for Community Collaborative Rain, Hail, and Snowfall Network there. It's a great way to help the NWS. As what happens generally is it's a 24-hour program, and it takes rainfall measurements right around 8 or 7 or 9 in the morning, and then you send it to us via your computer, and we'll give you a rain gauge for that. You can also tell us about hail, about snow in the morning, things like that. We'd love to hear any reports that you have when it comes to rain, to snow, to hail. We take daily measurements and precipitation, and you'll send it to us. And it's just a great way to kind of keep the reporting on a region-wide basis rather than just some pockets maybe near denser cities and things like that. So here's a little bit about the MPing app. It is an app that researchers at the National Severe Storms Lab put together, that NSSL that you'll see in that link there. And basically what it's doing is you can report in different portions of the storm, whether you're seeing hail, whether you're seeing flooding, whether you're seeing snow. And researchers actually use that data to interpret what the radar is seeing. You probably saw earlier in that radar section where we talk about how we've gotten recently dual-pole radar and how we can actually see the drop in the particle size a little bit better. And we're still trying to fine-tune what we're seeing, and this app is helping with that. So again, tag your time and location, select the weather event, and submit your report to us. The spotter reporting reference links are below once you click the reporting procedures tab there, and that little box will show up.